Hello trading gang, my name is James. I'm the founder and head trader of Maestro FX team, and in today's video I would like to share with you my potential trade ideas, trading plans for an upcoming week. Although my voice is so positive, our this past week was not so positive because we got one trade in a profit and three trades in a loss. But with the help of good trading strategy and great risk reward ratio, we could manage to gain profits even if we lose three trades in a row. So, first trade we lost 13 pips. Our stop loss was so tiny, and I'm implementing a new trading strategy which uses very small amount of stop loss in order to get huge amount of pips. You can understand this from my USDJPY and Euro Dollar and this NZD USD trades as well. So first trade we got 13 pips in a loss. The second trade we got 25 pips in a loss, and the third trade we got 15 pips in a loss. But with the help of good risk reward ratio, we got one trade, and this trade is still open, and we already made 110 pips in a profit. So in overall, we lost around 53 pips, and we gained 110 pips. And currently in this week we are around how many? Like 50 something plus in a profit. So this is the result of our current week, ongoing week, and these are the potential trade setups for an upcoming week. Alright, as we can spot it on daily time frame, NZD USD is a very bearish trend, very downtrend, and we can spot that now currently the price is sitting on a support area, on a key support area. It's near to the key support area around this level. One more downside. This is our current support level, and at this support level we managed to form this beautiful head and shoulders pattern. Price shoot up, was in a consolidation mode, price suddenly fell down, strong momentum bearish impulse move, then we were just in a pullback to test a broken structure. And here I already explained around like 4 to 5 weeks ago, if not even 6 weeks, we are holding this NZD USD because we bought right it here at the week of the daily bullish candle with the triple bottom pattern. Now you can watch from our previous video analysis on Telegram channel only, because at that time I didn't have YouTube channel. So and currently we are on a uptrend. We are as you know, I'm a swing trader, and most of the time I use trend reversal trading strategy to form my swing trading opportunities. And now currently we can spot that the price has formed this beautiful double bottom pattern. Then price shoot up, broken close above the neckline of double bottom pattern, and now currently the price pulled back to test the broken neckline of double bottom pattern, and again we may shoot up until this area and reach our take profit trade limits with around 340 pips in a profit. So this is current potential trade setup on NZD USD. I am not telling you that we are on a clear uptrend. We are in a clear downtrend currently because we got this beautiful bearish momentum impulse move. But here we can spot that we got double bottom pattern. The price pushed up and broken close above the neckline, and now currently pulling back to test the broken neckline. So if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmations around this area, we can buy. And also if we switch to H1 time frame on this pair, we can spot that we may form this double bottom again right at the test of the daily double bottom. So if we form this double bottom, price shoots up, pulls back to test the broken neckline, and it gives a good buy opportunity on this pair. And our take profit is going to be the test of our take profit tree limits, and stop loss is going to be below this stop loss is going to be below H1 double bottom pattern, and take profit is going to be around this area, 0.72 even, which is may bring around like 200 plus pips. So this is current potential buy trade setup on NZD/USD. If my criteria won't met and the price won't form double bottom pattern on H1 time frame, we will not open any trades and we will just be holding our previous trade until we reach our take profit one. We already booked our stop loss into break even. We are at the entry price. Our stop loss is at the entry price. If we lose, we won't lose anything. We also booked some profits from this trade. So current trade plan on NZD/USD, we may look for buy opportunities only once price reaches this resistance area, mirror resistance area, then we can look for short opportunities. But currently, I don't like to sell from the middle of the trend. I like to sell from higher, or I like to buy from lower. This is my trading mindset. All right, dollar yen. Safely haven't pair. Weekly time frame. We are on a clear bearish trend. Market is forming lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Currently you can spot. And if we switch to H4 time frame, what we can spot here is now currently the price is sitting at the D leg of this bearish Gartley pattern. This pattern is this yellow pattern, bearish Gartley, and now currently the price is at D leg of bearish Gartley. And the area between 110.90th till 111.30th, 110.90th and 111.30th, which is the range of 40 pips, is going to be our resistance area. And also we can spot that we got this beautiful double top pattern, but second top has not been formed yet because the price didn't break and close below the neckline of this double top pattern. So not clear bearish scenario yet. If price breaks and closes below the neckline and pulls back to test the broken area between broken neckline and second top, this area is going to be our kill resistance area to look for short opportunities. If we spot any kind of bearish opportunity on this kill resistance area, we can look for short opportunities with a stop loss about double top pattern. If the price will continue go up and violates our double top pattern and will break and close about the double top pattern, then this area between 110.90th and 111.30th is going to be our kill zone area to look for short opportunities. If between this area, if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmation, we will be looking for short opportunities with the stop loss above the X leg, with the rule of implementing stop loss on bearish Gartley pattern, and take profit limits will be based on major resistance support areas. Also, confluencing, we can spot that currently the price is forming C leg of bullish Cypher pattern. This sky blue triangles are forming the Cypher pattern, and let me tell you, where is the C leg of Cypher pattern? Between where? Okay, the C leg of Cypher pattern, yes, it's the same area. Between 110.90th and 111.20th. So between 109.90th and 111.20th, which we were looking for short opportunities with bearish Gartley pattern completion. Also, C leg of Cypher pattern is laying there. C leg must not be there. It also can be around this area. It also can be higher, the C leg. So current potential trade setup on dollar Japanese yen. First scenario, once price forms double top and pushes back down and violates this breaks and close below the neckline and pulls back to test broken neckline, and the area between broken neckline and second top is going to be kill zone to look for short opportunities. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is going to be selling with this bearish Gartley patterns D leg, a D leg, and the bullish Cypher patterns C leg. Between this 110.90th and 111.20th, if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmation, we can look for short opportunities on this pair. So this is current potential trade setup on USD yen. Now let's switch to GBP yen. GBP yen weekly time frame. Let's start from monthly time frame. What is spot? Monthly time frame. I told previously, clear downtrend because the market is forming high, lower high, lower high, but equal low. You can spot that we are forming equal low, but highs are lower highs, so we can consider this is a downtrend. And also, after bearish impulse move, we are making a pullback. Then after this pullback to this broken structure, we may push down like this. Most of the time the market makes bearish impulse move, pullback, bearish impulse move, pullback, bearish impulse move, flag, bearish impulse move, flag or triangle, and bearish impulse move. So this is currently, we can consider that this is a channel uptrend channel. First of all, let me clear up the chart. I like the clean chart. So bearish momentum impulse move, pullback with ascending channel, and again bearish impulse move. So currently we can spot that previous month closed as a bearish engulfing candle, bearish momentum engulfing candle, closing below the 2 months ago bearish pin bar, and now currently the price is pulling back into the middle of this engulfing candle. And if we switch to weekly time frame, what I can spot here is price already broken close below the support trend line of an ascending channel. So let me edit this. Hey, come on. We have visibility, monthly. Okay, now let's switch to monthly back. We can spot it after bearish impulse move, we are making an uptrend channel, and after breaking and closing below the support trend line of uptrend channel, we may continue to push down more and more. And on weekly time frame, we can spot that the price is forming harami, which is inside bar price action pattern confirmation signal, but this inside bar has not been broken to the downside, not even to the upside. So what we consider, yes, indecision now. Monthly bearish, weekly indecision, daily clear, very clear downtrend. Let's read the price chart. Bearish impulse move, pull back to the neckline of double top pattern. Here we got the double top pattern. After double top formation, price push down, bearish impulse move, pull back to the broken neckline of double top pattern, push back down, pull back, push back down. Now currently the market is pulling back to test the previous broken support area and the broken structure. And now by pulling back and testing the support zone and also the broken structure, we are testing this broken weekly support trend line, this blue line. So daily time frame, we are clear bearish, because also what we can spot on daily time frame, okay, Thursday candle closed as this bearish engulfing candle, engulfing the bearish doji candle. This is the inside bar. Here we got the inside bar, and as you can spot that the price already broken close below the mother bar, which indicates the downtrend. And yeah, and how to enter the trade, how to catch the downtrend, because it may bring us up to the first take profit. Only the first take profit is going to bring us around 350 pips. 350 pips from the first take profit area. And if we switch to monthly time frame, your take profit can be so huge as more than 500 pips. All right, how to look for entry reasons on this pair? As we can spot, let me hide this risk reward because we already sold this pair. Let me hide this one. All right, read the price chart. Price shoot up, made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops, 6 tops as a resistance. Price were not able to break and close above. Then price suddenly pushed down, and currently the price couldn't break and close below the support zone. The price couldn't break and close below the support zone, which now indicates the market is ranging in this area. So between this area, the market is ranging. So this box is a range box. Sideways choppy moves in this box. How we can look for any kind of opportunity in this sideways market? A lot of traders will tell you that, oh, never trade sideways market. It's the worst case scenario in the forex market. It brings a lot of losses. Yes, but when there are a lot of clear opportunities, you can trade. Why not? What am I waiting for from this sideways? I'm waiting for the price to pull back into this red rectangle resistance kill zone area, because this is the neckline of this resistance area, and if price pulls back into this area between 147 and 25 and 147.70, 147.70th and 147.20th, if I spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmations, I'll be looking for short opportunities with a stop loss above this resistance area, which is going to be around 148 even, which is going to be around from 50 pips to 30 pips. And my take profit one, as I mentioned just now, is going to be around 300 pips. So risking just around 30 to 50 pips in order to get 300 pips is not a great opportunity. What do you think? It's a great opportunity, isn't it? So clear downtrend on GBP yen, waiting for the price to pull back to our red rectangle kill zone area between 147.20th and 147.70th. And if I spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmation, I'll be looking for short opportunities on this pair. Okay, now we are done with this pair. Am I so quick? Yep. Now let's switch it on, because we already sold this pair at the area between 147 and 65. Okay, we are still holding this trade. We are hodlers. Let's switch to Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. What do you spot on daily time frame? What do you spot? Can you spot anything? Do you spot anything? What do I spot from this pair is we are about to start the beginning of the downtrend. Yes, the beginning of the downtrend. The strong momentum downtrend. After formation of this double top pattern, now the price already pushed back down and already violated and broken close below this support trend line and also this measure support area. And now currently the price is pulling back to test the broken support area. And if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmations, we can look for short opportunities on this in this support area, green rectangle. But what is interesting to me? The most interesting and safe scenario to me is the price pushes back up to the broken neckline, of this double top pattern. Once price pulls back into this red rectangle area between 101.5838 and 159 even, I'll be looking for short price action or trend pattern confirmation signal to short this pair. As usual, stop loss is going to be above the confirmation pattern with ATR calculation, and take profit limit, take profit 1, is going to be the test of this previous low, which is going to be around more than 400 to 500 pips. So don't be so rushed. If you are selling in this area, did you get any kind of pattern confirmations? For me, I didn't. So I'm waiting for the price to pull back and test the broken neckline of double top pattern, as well as this resistance area, resistance kill zone area, and then I'll be looking for short opportunities. So thank you for your attention, guys. This is a quick my trade plans for an upcoming week. Yes, this is not a trade signal, this is not a trade advice, this is just my trading plan. So hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it's yes, just thumbs up please, and also please subscribe to the channel. Please invite your friends to subscribe to the channel, because there are a lot of great swing opportunity trade plans are coming on this channel, as well as I'm preparing a lot of video lessons teaching you about the trading knowledge, about my trading knowledge and strategies and methods. How do I trade? How do I see the market? And this is going to be helpful for you. So currently we are building a good Forex empire. We are at the beginning stage. We have just started our building this empire in just around we started on February. So February, March, April, May, June. It's just been 5 months. And in 5 months, I think it's a good result to get a good, to get more than 1,000 members on Telegram and more than 10K people on Instagram. And yeah, now currently our mainly focus is on YouTube, because we want to share more and more and more trade ideas with you guys. So thanks for your attention, and bye bye till the next video. One more thing, as I mentioned, once we reach 500 people, members on our YouTube channel, I'll be revealing one of my most powerful trading strategies, which is going to be about trend patterns trading strategy. I already upload the ebook once we reach 100 members in our YouTube channel, and once we reach 500 people in our YouTube channel, I'll be uploading the video lesson. On video lesson, you can clearly see how do I trade trend patterns and how do I minimize my loss in order to get huge amount of profits. So my trading style of trend patterns, such as head and shoulders, double top, triple top, I don't trade these patterns as a traditional ebook strategy. I have my own rules, I have my own method on how to trade these trend patterns, and my trend patterns comparing to a traditional book strategy method is going to bring you more reliable profits and just small amount of risk. In traditional books method of trading these trend patterns, you are going to sacrifice a lot of pips into your stop loss, but with my trading method of these patterns, you are going to sacrifice a very small amount of pips in your stop loss. So thanks for the attention. Let's reach 500 members in our YouTube channel, and I'll be uploading my video lesson on how to trade trend patterns trading strategy. Alright guys, bye bye till the next video.